Hi guys, this is Ritu Raji here and you guys are welcome back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, like, share and comment. So girls, I know it's been quite a while, but guess what? Today I am back with another very interesting haul video, and this time it's gonna be an H&M haul video. As you all know that I'm a very loyal customer of H&M, and this time I have bought so many winter clothes of H&M from Myntra. So Myntra से मैंने इसीलिए उठाया है because Myntra पे the big fashion sale चल रहा है and there's no offer or sale is going on H&M का website. So it's better to buy from Myntra for a while. एंड अगर आपको इस होल वीडियो में से किसी भी प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे लगे तो यू कैन ऑलवेज गो एंड चेक आउट द लिंक्स इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बार. मैं सारे कपड़ों के लिंक्स मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बार पे डाल दूँगी, जाके आप लोग देख लीजिए इफ़ यू वांट एनी ऑफ द क्लॉथ्स फ्रॉम दिस whole video. So let's start with our first product of this whole video, and that is this top. So this is the first product of this whole video, and I have bought this top in a pair with another top which is in red color. So girls, it looks like this. I really love the top because सबसे पहले तो मुझे इनका फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छे लगे. It's very stretchable, stretchy है, and then it has a full sleeves which is perfect for winter. And guys, is इनका size है, I've got this in a size of small, so दोनों small size के हैं, and I've got this at the price of 1499 for both. दोनों आए हैं 1499, so not bad, huh? And I really love the neckline of this top. क्या होते हैं H&M के सारे टॉप इधर वी नेकलाइन में होते हैं या तो राउंड नेकलाइन में होते हैं, बट दिस टाइम दे हैव कम विद अनदर वेरी यूनिक स्टाइल नेकलाइन जो इनका बोट शेप में है. सो इट्स गिव यू अ वेरी यूनिक स्टाइल लुक. So I really love that, and the length of this top is also really good. It's not that crop. This is not a crop top. It goes beyond your hips. मतलब आपके hips से भी नीचे चले जाते हैं. So you can pair this up with skirts, trousers, or your traditional wears. Good. Go for it, guys. Go for it. Let's move on to our next purchase, and that is gonna be a blazer from H&M. So this is a single breasted blazer from H&M. As you can see, sleeves look like this. It has button over here, and it has a slit at the back. I don't know the purpose of this slit. और इसका neckline ऐसा दिखता है. And guys, it has front pocket over here and another one is here, and it has one single button over here. So guys, I've got this at the size of medium. So I would really want to recommend, agar if your body looks like mine, your body size is like mine only, so I would suggest that you go for small size, because मैंने मंगवाया है मीडियम में. सो आई थॉट आई वांटेड इट टू बी लूज, बट इट्स क्वाइट लूज. सो बहुत ज़्यादा ही लूज़ हो गया है, इसलिए आई वुड रेकमेंड कि आप स्मॉल साइज़ चाहिए, क्योंकि ये थोड़े कपड़े लार्जर साइज़ में आते हैं. एंड आई गॉट दिस एट द प्राइस ऑफ 2699. if I'm not wrong, I think I've got this at the price of 2399. 200 का मेरे को ये ऑफ में आए थे, if I remember. Yeah, you can always check out the links in my description. So this is in grayish color. I actually thought screen पे ये color अलग दिख रहे हैं, if I'm not wrong. वहाँ पे भी ये थोड़ी सा beige color के mixture दिख रहे हैं, but this is in real grayish color and it gives you a very formal look. So formal wear के लिए ये blazer अच्छा है. So guys, let's move on to our next purchase of this whole video, and it is Ta-da! This teddy jacket from H&M. So those who have seen my previous haul video, I already had one of this in grey color. Yeah, but since last time भी मैंने कहा था कि वो बहुत fit में आ रहे थे, but I wanted to be बहुत loose, so I've got another one in a different shade with in a different size too. ये इनका size है large, so मैंने 2 size up करके मंगवाए हैं इस बार, and still इनका size like it's not that loose. मेरे को चाहिए था बहुत loose. I should have bought extra large. फिर भी this time I'm not gonna return it. So इनका size इस तरह है, and this is an off-white color में आया है this time, and it has a front pocket over here. Yeah, baby hair, and then it has a chain from top to bottom सीधा, and the neckline looks like this. High neck है इनका, and sleeves kind of looks like this. So the fabric is honestly speaking, the fabric is not that thick. बहुत thick नहीं है इनका fabric, थोड़ा सा thin है, but still I think it's very good for this winter. आप अंदर में कुछ पहन लोगे ना तो ये गर्मी देगा आपको ज़रूर. And I've got this at the price of 1499. So yeah, 1499, and if I remember, I think I've got this at the price of 1299 ऑफ करके मेरे को ये 1299 में मिला मिंत्रा पे. एंड साइज़ है इनका लार्ज साइज़. सो अगर आपको बहुत लूज चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज पे जाइए ज़रूर. Nice purchase. So guys, our last but not the least purchase of this whole video is gonna be, ta-da, is this fluffy jacket. Ta-da. So this gives you a very expensive, richy kind of vibes, which I'm not. So yeah, this is not at all my type of dressing or kapda ka collection, but yeah, this time I bought this jacket because I'm thinking of going on a trip where I might need this kind of jackets. So yeah, for that you guys can look, and it has the sleeves looks like this, and it has fur all around it like this, like a teddy bear. And this is not so heavy. I thought कि बहुत heavy होगा, but it's not very heavy, and the inside of it looks like this. So this is not a warm material kind of thing, which I don't like about this jacket. मेरे को चाहिए था अंडर में थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा fluffy वाला, so that you know it keeps me warm, like really warm. But this is warm, huh? This gives you a really warm feeling. I think you can pair this up with a high neck inside, and you'll be all set for this coming winter. And I've got this in a size of medium. So this is in a medium size, which is kind of perfect size for it. And I got this at the price of 3999. So almost like 4000. So I have spent a lot on this jacket, and I don't regret a bit about it, because I think it's worth the money, and it's gonna keep me warm this winter all day all night. I'm gonna wear this all day all night this winter. Yeah. And guys, just look at the design. It has a zip over here, which I actually don't like about this. I mean, it's zip की necessary नहीं थी, but still I think it's gonna be very useful in coming winter. And guys, the shade of it, I am very confused with the shade of it. It looks a bit peach pink, but shade में दिखता है ये I think it's beige color, but it gives you a vibe of that pink, you know, pinkish वाला vibe देता है. And guys, yeah, that's all with this jacket, and I'm gonna love this jacket, and you will see me wearing it all the time this coming winter. So guys, that's all with this whole video, and these are the products I have bought for this whole video. And if you like any of the products from this whole video, make sure that you check out the links in my description bar. Please go and check out the links. And guys, I'll be coming with another very interesting haul video, hopefully with a very unique collections. So till then, keep loving, keep supporting, and make sure that you subscribe, like, share and comment. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.